Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by trimming the workbook so the PDF only contains what matters. Inspect each sheet, hide unused rows, and confirm the print area. This prevents blank pages. Set orientation, margins, and scaling to control layout. Make sure fonts and embedded charts are visible and not linked externally. Save a backup copy now so you can revert. Once done, you'll be ready to export with predictable page breaks and consistent formatting in the resulting PDF. You choose Export or Save As and pick PDF. Decide whether to convert all sheets or only an active sheet selection, because multi-sheet workbooks create multi-page PDFs. Select paper size, letter or A4, and optimization. Standard for print, minimum for sharing. If fonts may not embed, enable bitmap text to preserve appearance. Include document properties and choose whether to open the PDF after publishing so you can quickly validate. This control ensures fidelity. You finish by reviewing the exported PDF page by page, checking for cut-off cells, wrong page breaks, or unexpected scaling. If content shifts, return to Excel and tweak print areas, manually insert page breaks, or choose Fit all columns on one page. For persistent font or rendering issues, embed fonts in the export settings or print to a trusted virtual PDF printer as an alternative. If you see missing charts, confirm objects are set to print. This final pass prevents distribution errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.